YouTube, welcome to another video. Sorry it's been such a long time. You know how it is when life gets in the way. So I've been slowly building up a pile of stuff to install on the FN2. And today I'm going to be installing... I've been sort of trying to decide on this for a long time, which is the fog light scoops. So I've just got some, because I quite like having fog lights, but I really like the look of the fog light scoops. If I can direct the front left one up into the cone filter, then hopefully we get some cold air going in. So I just got these ones off eBay. They look pretty good actually. As you can see, they're fiberglass, got a nice gloss finish inside. Little clip on that side there. Little screw on the other side. So hopefully, it's been so long since I've even looked underneath the bumper to see what I've got to do, but hopefully it's pretty straightforward. This will be the first time I've taken the bumper off since I've had it liquid wrapped. So I'm a bit nervous because I've got to ping away the wheel trim. I've got to undo a few screws or clips on the under tray that connects to the bumper, then ping the bumper away, and then hopefully it'll all become clear. So I'll try and get the car up on a couple of blocks of wood, try and hopefully give me a bit of clearance to get to those clips underneath, and I shall catch you in a bit. I'm just wondering if I can do it without actually completely removing the bumper. So there's a fog light. I believe there'll be a 10mm bolt under there. So I'm about to find out. Yeah, so that was as simple as a 10mm bolt. Just that one there. What I might do is just cable tie the lead to some of these other leads just to keep it out of the way. So hopefully the new one goes in just as easy. Right, so quick update. I realised that people tend to put glue like mesh inside it, otherwise you can just see the white water fluid, windscreen wiper fluid bottle in there. So I've been rooting around all my stuff trying to find something because I haven't got any mesh. I found this old bit of intake duct work, so I'm hoping I can attach that on the other side and have it turn enough that it just looks black inside there. That's for the driver's side. I also found out these screws are too big, the ones that came with it, so I've also been looking for some thinner ones. The thick ones didn't even fit through any of this, so hopefully they're not all like that. So I gave up with this bit of rubber behind the driver's side scoop. There's just not enough room with the windscreen wiper bottle. I suppose if it's annoying I'll have to take it out another time and put some mesh on it. So yeah, it's a good reminder to people to get some mesh before you start doing this. Jolt. I was rattling a little bit, so I put this neoprene rubber sticky stuff there to hopefully stop it rattling a bit. Not the best fitment in the world, you can see some gap there. If it annoys me again I'll have to try and take it off and put something in there to fill the gap. Right, the plan for the passenger side is to use this bit of old, I think it's FN2 intake. Yeah, it must be. I've just blocked up those two holes. I'm hoping I can feed that from the scoop all the way up through that hole to where my filter is. Right, so I've chopped this bit off the the intake hose. It was kind of making it go off in the wrong angle. And I've put some trusty cable ties on. I don't know, there was not a lot to grip hold of. We'll see if it holds or not. I'm going to have to push the bumper on while feeding the pipe up the hole at the same time. So yeah, could do with about 8 hands for this. The passenger side, a little clip there which went through the slot on the other side, fit better if it just clipped over the back of it. So I tried that on the other side, but it wouldn't work. So yeah, not very consistent. So the cable tie holding that bit of duct work didn't want to stay on, so I just ended up putting the bumper on and then trying to feed the air duct down afterwards. It's not perfect. Probably if I wasn't running out of time, I might have found a better way to attach the hose on this side. But it's alright, I'll have to come back to it at some point. But yeah, I'm running out of time today, but hopefully we'll get a bit of cold air to the filter. So there we go guys, all put back together. I think that one looks pretty cool with the air duct, plus it's nice and dark inside. The driver's side, unfortunately you can see the white bottle on the inside, so I'm going to have to do something about that. But that's for another day because I've run out of time. So there we are guys, probably just a little video once I've edited it down. I've just been inside and weighed the fog lights, and they're half a kilo each, so I need to remember to add that to my spreadsheet. I just figured out why, because mine are always quite rattly. You can see possibly in there it's broken. So yeah, it's really annoying because they all like rattle all the time. So yeah, I think the fog light scoops really finish off the front of the car, so I'm really pleased with them. Fitment was a bit, you know, a bit sketchy, but that's what you get when you buy them off eBay. I was going to buy them from somewhere else, but the lead time was like 1 month plus, so I'm not very patient, so I just got the ones off eBay, which were loads cheaper, so what can you expect, I guess. I'll have to see whether that bit of ducting stays in place. Hopefully it does. I've cable tied it up at the top, just below where the cone filter is. It's almost like it was made for it. Once I trimmed that little bit off the end, it was perfect pretty much. So anyway, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.